Moving on to the next problem. The problem has been displayed on the slide. All of you just read that particular question. Hope all of you are reading the question. Okay, all of you might have read the problem. So they are given the problem. What they are given is in case of Credit Lyonnais Bank, spot rate of pound by dollar they are given as 1.50. In case of Barclays, spot rate of yen by pound is 1.20. Whereas in case of Credit Agricole, spot rate of yen by pound is 85. Okay. So now let's understand, or let's try to solve how an investor can take an advantage of the situation by shifting from first currency to second currency and from second currency to third currency. How an investor can make a profit out of the situation. Okay. So first, as I said in the last problem, you have to calculate the implied cross rates. Implied cross rate, first we have to find out the implied cross rate between spot rate of yen by pound. Implied cross rate between yen and pound is 80. Okay. If you calculate the implied cross rate between yen and pound, so how to do this? Just I'll show it. Yen by pound is equal to, so you should have numerator, we should have yen by dollar into, again we have yen by pound we have, and then we have yen by dollar we have, and then what we should have, we should get dollar should get cancelled and we should have pound in the denominator, pound by dollar. So we'll get cancelled, we'll get the answer over here. For your information, for knowledge, yen by dollar is 1.20 into your dollar by pound 1 divided by 1.50. The answer comes to 80. Okay, that means yen 80 per pound. Okay, so we came to know that there is an arbitrage possibility. Let's try to understand how we can take the advantage of the situation. Step 1, what we should do? Sell dollar 1 lakh, dollar 1 lakh for pound at spot rate of pound by dollar is equal to 1.50. Since we receive Investor will receive how much? Investor will receive how much? 1,50,000. Okay. So first what we are doing, we're going to sell the dollar for pound, and we got a pound as 1,50,000. And in step 2, sell pound 1,50,000 for yen. Sell pound 1,50,000 for yen at spot rate of yen by pound 85. So hence investor will get, if we calculate how much investor will have, investor will have yen of 12 lakh So 1,27,50,000 investor will have. So step 3, what we are doing, we are converting back from yen to dollar. Okay, sell yen for dollar at the rate of spot rate of yen by dollar 120. Okay, so hence investor will receive how much? $1,06,250. So an investor will have an arbitrage profit of how much? An investor will have arbitrage profit of 1,06,250 minus initially how much he had? 1 lakh. So if we subtract these two things, we'll get a $6,250 as arbitrage profit. So to conclude, investor, what they are doing, investor is going to sell first currency, that is dollar. They are given dollar 1 lakh investor is having. So dollar is converting into pound. Okay, so when they convert dollar into pound, how he is going to convert? Basically you should know how to convert also. So here what they can, $1 is equal to 1.50 pound. So therefore for 1 lakh for this $1 lakh, how much we'll have? So we'll have 1,50,000 pound. In the same way, once we get 1,50,000 pound, that we are selling to yen, so we get yen of 1,27,50,000, and this yen again we are converting back to dollar. Once we convert back to dollar, so we'll get a $1,06,250. Okay, initially how much we had? Initially we started with 1 lakh and we end up in getting a 1,06,250. So thereby we realized a profit of $6,250. Thank you. And next session we'll be discussing about the forward rates, for how to calculate the forward premium and forward discount. Thank you.